Today we'll be looking at the Guardsman Ultimate Dusting Cloth. This dusting cloth is a revolutionary cloth that removes twice the amount of dust without using any sprays or chemicals. First, fold the cloth in half. Then wipe along the surface being dusted. If you are using the cloth on wood, make sure you wipe in the direction of the wood grain. Repeat until your furniture is dust-free. It's that easy. For larger or hard-to-reach areas, the Ultimate Dusting Cloth fits perfectly onto most household sweepers. When the dusting cloth is completely soiled, you can hand wash it in lukewarm water with a mild detergent and air dry, restoring its dust-grabbing power. It's also perfect for dusting leather furniture and for removing cobwebs. It's as simple as that. Your furniture should now be clean and dust-free.